Hello everybody, I'm here to open some stamps I got from Chamil Garden. Um, Actually it's the first time I buy Chamil Garden stamps. I got some like really cute ones, super useful, but it was a present from my friend. The set with the flowers, I don't know if it's the set A or the set B, or I don't know, even it was a C set, I don't know, but these were the first flowers she released like that. um there's some new ones, I think they're smaller or something like that. I have no idea, but um the first time I purchased this now. So this is the morning collection. This was part of 10th anniversary. Oh my god. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh, I'm speechless. Oh, I, of course I saw the photo of this on the online shop, but I didn't expect this to be so pretty because I love Chamil Garden, but um, for me it's a little bit difficult to use her stamps because my style to use stamps, it's like creating a drawing or a scene with stamps. So I sometimes her letters behind the flowers or something distract me too much. So I was expecting some of her leaves without letters, so I will be more free to use them in incorporating them inside of a whole scene. And this is so perfect. And I didn't realize it was a dandelion. I didn't, when I saw the photos online, I didn't realize for some reason that escaped my eye. I'm so happy. And there's an acorn too. And I don't know what this plant is, but all the plants that I have that small round seeds, I'm crazy for them. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, let's make a card later with this. And let me just keep opening. And I also bought these stamps. It's called Fruit. This set collection, probably. I didn't even know what was the name because the website is a Taiwanese website, so I have no idea. And I don't want to take forever to open the packaging, so what should we do? Okay, let me see. Maybe I want to keep that later. Let me see. I forgot the name of this. Probably in morning collection, yeah. This is also like special release for 10th anniversary. Let me just rip the plastic and I can keep the washi tape and use it for journaling later. This is so beautiful. First time I purchased Chamil Garden stamps. That's crazy, but you know, my friends love Chamil Garden and they use them in a really beautiful way, especially if you follow her on Instagram, Life at 30s. Like, I will put her Instagram later. She's amazing using Chamil Garden stamps, but also Momo loves paper, and Amanda like 2 cups troubles, and meets my life meets is like they own, between all of them, they own all Chamil Garden stamps. So when I meet them, I'm so lucky I can use the stamps. I love these ones. These are so pretty. These ones have letters, but it's easy to use for me because I plan to do something very different with these stamps. And they have corns and other nuts like walnuts, and I don't know what is this, but it's so cute. And a pie. Oh man, this is so adorable. This is so cute. So I plan to do things with this on my traveling, my traveler's notebook, the one I use for hiking. And I want to make like backgrounds of the page with this type of stamp. Oh, this is so nice. And it's glue with washi tape there. They really package everything so beautifully. And then my friend surprised me, thank you so much, with these stamps. It's a present from her. She says is Chamil Garden zip 9, something like that. I follow her on Instagram, Chamil Garden, and I love everything she does. But I don't know the names of her stamps or anything like that. I just use them when my friends bring them to our playouts. Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm destroying the plastic. No problem at all. Wow, it's so cute. The paper is a stamp. Oh my goodness, did she took the time to do that? Wow, it says experimental practice. EPC, often used. It's cute. I'm gonna keep all this washi and stick it somewhere. Probably on my Hobonichi today. But today I have to go to a very special place. So I don't know if I will have space on my Hobonichi for that today. I need 5 pages of Hobonichi for today. Okay. I don't know which stamps are these. I have no idea. So let's see, what is this? Wow. Oh my god. This is the other set, like what I said, like she released this set long ago already, and then she released something later. Thank you so much. This is so adorable. This is so nice. This is the other set of flowers, so now I have both sets. Thank you so much. This is really, really, really cute. Oh man, I love this one so much. Wow, so now I have plenty of flowers to play. These are a lot smaller, like these ones are like, the stamps are bigger. These are like smaller. Even the bigger ones are smaller than this. So it's really, really perfect for combine all of them. Oh man, thank you so much. Oh, these are so cute. So let me review. These are the fruits stamps from the 10 years anniversary collection. And these are the morning collection, so adorable. And these are Chamil Garden zip 9. This, sorry, I can't remember, but I know it was like flowers A or flowers B or something like that. So thank you so much. Bye bye, have a nice day.